Thanksgiving with giving.
Robotics gears up for the next meet.
And it's almost that time of year again.
You mean Christmas?
No, the Silent Night game. Well, maybe Christmas movie night.
I can't wait to get started. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Andrew, and your update from Monday, November 27th starts right now.
And welcome back from the long break. Well, Andrew, how about you start us off?
All right. Well, Sentinels for Christ was doing great giving for Thanksgiving, partnering with City Takers Ministry.
They helped hand out over 500 meals to some needy families.
So let's roll the report by Addie.
We're here at the City Takers annual Thanksgiving turkey giveaway. It all started Saturday morning at 10 a.m. The members of Sentinel of Christ has joined us to give away more than 500 turkeys and meal kits for families in need. Why is this event so important to you?
Because we're out here, we're spreading the gospel, we're out here giving bags to people who are in need, and we're just helping out the community in general.
Or an outreach. So we like to do things that are community specific but making sure that even though we're doing things in the community, we're still giving them Christ.
Thanks, Addie. Well, do you like free things, Sophia?
I sure do.
Well, coming up on December 15th is the annual Silent Night game.
Whoever brings an unwrapped gift to the game for City Takers Ministry will get in the game for free.
The festivities will include a costume contest, a special halftime show, and screaming at the top of your lungs when the 10th point is scored.
The game will be on December 15th.
ECS Movie Night will be on December 9th, and it'll be a Christmas movie because it's December.
It'll be out on the football field. It's free, but there'll be food trucks, so make sure you have money for that.
Do you think we've talked enough?
Nope, we have one final announcement.
So what is it?
Chapel will be with Sean McAfee, and he will be talking about You Are Called to Remember.
Okay, now I think we are done, right, Sophia?
We sure are. Let's on to sports.
Thanks, Sophia. Starting us off today is football. Although keeping it close in the first half against FBA, they would ultimately wrap up their season with a 50-27 loss in their regional playoff game.
Moving on to games that you missed during the break is girls basketball.
They had an out-of-town tournament in Orlando and came back with 2 huge wins. They defeated Oak Ridge 52-40 and Ocoee 42-32. Nice work, ladies.
Boys hoops were also on the road for Barron Collier shootout. They had a rough time of it, losing to Barron Collier 53-39, and then losing the next game to FBA 54-34.
Finally, girls wrestler Mackenzie Thompson had a great time this past Saturday during the Princess Punch-Out at Wiregrass High School in Tampa, taking an impressive 3rd place for her first tournament of the season.
Well, for sports today, it's all about soccer again. Middle school starts us off today with a road trip to CSN in Naples.
Girls play first at about 4 with boys up next at 5:30.
For varsity, both boys and girls face Palmetto Ridge, both at 6:30.
How can they both play at the same time, you may wonder? Well, girls are on the road while the boys host Palmetto here at home.
That's all from us. Well, what else do you have for us, Andrew?
Thanks, guys. We only have one final announcement, and it's for the robotics team.
Coming up on Saturday, December 9th is the second robotics competition at Arthurix in Naples.
Well, I hope you didn't fall asleep watching today's announcement since it's the first day after the break and it's a Monday. But if you didn't, then have a great day.